Hey guys, it's Larry Greenberg here with another unboxing video. This time it's the Griffin Elan Form Graphite. This is Griffin's take on the carbon fiber looking case. I picked this case up at the Apple retail store for $34.95. It is, one of the more pricier cases out there. It's not $75 like, the Vaha, but it's not $19 like a Go-Go either. So let's get right to the unboxing and I'll show you what comes in the package and all that good stuff. Griffin usually gives you a good amount of stuff with their cases. You get your usual staples. So you do get one screen protector, which is a decent quality crystal clear screen protector, and you get a small microfiber as well. Now, I'm sure most of you are familiar with the Elan style cases. Griffin makes several varieties of them. I, matter of fact, reviewed the Elan Form Chrome version of this case, and then of course there's the regular Elan. Then they have a couple special edition ones. When I was at the Apple store, I happened to see the one in pink. They had one that they called, I think it was called Aqua or Sky. It was black with a blue trim around it. But I really, I'm a big fan of the carbon fiber look. If you watch my videos, you saw me do a review of the Casemate carbon fiber case that I really was hoping would turn out well, and fortunately it bubbled my screen protector and I couldn't use it. But I'm liking this case a lot, so far. So let me pop it in for you and show you how it looks and all that kind of stuff. It is a slider style case, so to insert it, you can do bottom or top really. And it goes on pretty easily. Once the top section's on, the bottom just kind of slides together, and that's the install. Now, it does add a significant amount of bulk and weight to the case, or to the phone rather. Basically what this case is a plastic shell that's wrapped in this carbon fiber looking material. So that adds weight. So not only do you have the plastic, but you also have the shell, the material over top of that, and the metal as well, accenting it. So it does add a significant amount of weight. It does make it heavy, but with that you get a really nice looking, quality looking case. Carbon fiber looks really sharp. I like the look of it a lot. The chrome accents are not, the typical shiny chrome. They almost look kind of like a dark grayish, reminds me of titanium looking chrome, if you will. I'm noticing a little bit of bubbling going on right here, but it's nothing major. Nothing that I don't think would, that I could push out of the way when I got the case on, so it's not really an issue. All your cutouts, you have a nice big cutout here for the volume rocker and the vibrate switch. The camera lens doesn't seem to line up perfectly. Can you guys see that? Can you guys see that? Let me see if I have it on all the way. Perhaps that's part of the problem. Let me just double check to make sure that the case is fully all the way down. Yeah, it wasn't all the way down. So let me see. But now it is. Now it is. It's a little bit better. It's still not perfect, but it is better. I will say that. So again, big cutout on the bottom for the dock connector, full cutout on the top for the power switch and the headphone jack and the SIM card tray. So everything's really accessible. Now, one minor complaint I do have with this case, and I've heard other people talk about it with the other Elan cases, is it creaks. And I'm going to try to be quiet and see if you guys can hear it. Can you hear that? It has a lot of flex points, I guess, if you will. Really the bottom and the sides. And, oops, sorry about that. And it just, it makes for some noise. So, realize that. But otherwise, you know what? It's a very sharp looking case, and I actually think, hands down, I prefer it to the carbon fiber Casemate version, just because it's a slimmer fit. It's a little bit heavier than the Casemate, but it fits slimmer. Casemate was much wider. This fits slimmer. I like the fact that, the bottom piece is removable if you want to use it with the Apple dock. It does fit in my regular Griffin dock, no problem, so I don't have to worry about that. I like the feel of it. I like the the darker colored chrome, it blends in with the carbon fiber a little bit nicer, a little bit better. And you know, I'm going to start using this case now, you know, and see if I can't get a review up in you know, a few days, maybe a week. But I think I'm going to like this case. Now, you know, as long, again, the Elan cases seem to have a problem with peeling. Because remember, like I said, all this is you know, plastic coated with this carbon fiber material. So that'll be the one thing I'll be looking for, is especially at the corners, to see if there's any kind of peeling going on with this case. Hopefully we won't see that. So again, this case was $34.95 at the Apple Store, and it is the Elan Form Graphite. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you're having a great day out there. If you need to reach me, you know how to do so. Otherwise, you have a great day.